Okay. So we'll continue with this SQL operators. Okay. So operators is nothing. While doing any comparison, we already using, right? So for example, so when I want to compare one value with other value, so I'm using equal to operator, less than, greater than, like that, right? So like that, we have some operators here. Okay. So what are those different types of operators we have? So one is arithmetic operators. Okay. So another one is comparison operators, to compare one value with another values. So that time we'll use. So another simple thing is logical operators. Only three things. Okay. So other than those three, we have some SQL special operators that we'll discuss later. But as of now, so we have three different types of operators here. Arithmetic operators. Okay. What is the purpose of this arithmetic operators? Simple. There is a plus, minus, multiplication, division. So nothing but what is the purpose of this now? To perform what type of things? Arithmetic or mathematical calculations. Okay. Fine. So what is the purpose of this comparison or relational operators? To compare one value with another value. We already used these operators in last classes. Okay, we'll discuss all this with the examples. And other thing is logical operators. Okay, so using these logical operators like and, or, not, so what we can do, we'll discuss. Okay, so give me time for this. Now we'll go back to arithmetic operators and we'll see. Okay, so I simply want to perform one simple calculation here. Okay, so what is that? I'm just doing here 1 plus 2. Okay, so I want to know the result of 1 plus 2. So what I can do? So I just want to see the result. So what I can do? I can write in the select, and from where I have to get it? From where I have to get it? In from class, what I can write?
Dual table.
Okay, dual. Okay, so why I have to write dual table? Everyone knows why I have to write this, Suresh?
It is a predefined table.
Okay, it's a predefined table. Okay, but why I have to use this table only? Why can't I use other tables? Understood? Understood my question, no? Yeah. Why can't I use another table like a EMP table, cust info table? So like that, can I use or not? If not, why?
Maybe you can use other table also, but you give them lot of records, right?
Yes.
All records.
Okay. So what we have to say then? So dual table will have only one row always. It's a predefined virtual table. Okay, it's a predefined virtual table. This will be having always only one row. Okay, there may be n number of columns. No need to worry. Okay, so always it will be having only one row. So when we want any general calculations or general operations, okay, so when we are performing any type of general operations which is not related to any table, okay, so then we will be using this dual table. Is clear? So it's clear, right?
Yes.
Don't correct. Okay, but this is the way, right? Okay. So we can use any other table also, no problem. Okay, but that table may have more than one row. Okay, but as of now the table is having only one row, but fine. But later on you may insert, or that table may have multiple rows after some time. So then you will get some duplicate data. So that's why we will be not using any other tables other than dual when we are performing any general operations. Okay, general operation means which is not related to any table. So now I'm trying to perform 1 plus 2. This 1 plus 2 is a simple calculation. I just want to see the result of this 1 plus 2. So means, is it related to any table? No. So that I'm using dual. It's clear now? I'm just executing. So I got the output 3. Good. So that is the purpose of plus. There is nothing to discuss about what is plus, what is minus, you know very well, right? The same thing only, nothing here. Okay. So I just want to show you one thing. Let's see this. Okay. Just see and tell me what is the output of this like that. Okay. Okay. I don't know what is the output of this. Can anyone tell?
0, sir.
0.
-5.
-5. Still anyone want to say?
1.
1. Okay, let's see. I'm just executing.
4.
What is the output?
14.
-14. It's not -5. It's not 1. This is -14. What happened? How you calculated and how Oracle engine is calculating? Means something is going wrong there. So, okay. What you calculated first, Suresh? You did 1 plus 2. Huh?
Okay, sorry. First we calculate the multiplication.
Okay, how you calculated, Himasha?
Sir, star symbol multiplication kabatti 1 plus 2 3, 3 minus 3 0 kabatti 0 అని చెప్తున్నారు సార్.
Okay, 0 into 4.
0 తో ఏం క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేసినా కూడా 0 నే కదండి
Okay,
సార్.
0. Okay, 0 minus 5.
మధ్యలో ఇంటూ సింబల్ ఉంది కదండి సార్.
Okay, 3 minus 3 0. Okay, till this is 0. Okay, 0 into 4
Yes, sir.
0. Okay, 0 into 4 is also 0.
0 into
Yes, till this 0 now. 0 minus 5 minus 5. Okay, you forgot minus 5. Okay, so but it is not giving -5 or -1 or something. It is giving -14. So means what is happening here? I think it is calculating first 3 into 4. 3 4 ja. Okay, let's see this way. How it is calculating? I also don't know. I'm just trying. Okay, 1 plus 2 is there as it is. Then minus is there. So thereafter 3 into 4, 12. Okay, and then -5 is there. Okay, so now then 1 plus 2 is how much? 3. Okay, -12, -5.
-5.
So now -12 comma -5. Sorry, -12 -5. Total how much?
-17.
Okay, -3 minus 17. Now -14. Understood?
Yes, sir.
So means
Yes.
means there is a priority for these operators. Okay, so when you are using all these operators together in your calculation, you should remember there is a priority for those operators. Okay, so you thought you are going to calculate first, or you want to calculate first 1 plus 2. Okay, but it is not going like that. Okay, so always there is a priority for your operators. Okay, so what is the priority? First priority always is for this symbol. What is that? Multiplication. Then next priority is for division. Okay, so then plus, and finally minus. Okay, so this is the operator priority. So clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now I want to get the output as -5 only. Understood? I don't want -14. So I want this output as -5 only. How I calculated the same way Oracle engine also need to calculate. So then what I can do, I can override the priority, okay, by using another one. What is this? Braces, right? So we'll call it as parenthesis. Okay, This is just a braces only, but we'll call it as a parenthesis. Means I'm going to keep that first thing, what I want to calculate, that one, I'm keeping that in braces. It's clear? So now, which one
Yes,
will be
sir.
calculated? Instead of 3 into 4, okay, instead of 3 into 4, now it will calculate 1 plus 2 first, because the first priority is now for brackets. Okay, whichever is there in the brackets, that will be calculated first. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now after that I want to calculate what? Not 3 into 4 again. So after 1 plus 2, immediately it will go to 3 into 4 again, because as per the priority. So I don't want to calculate 3 into 4 also. After 1 plus 2, whatever the result will come, that minus 3 I want to do. So I'm putting this also in braces. Okay, so now braces is there within another braces also, right? So means which is priority now? So always inner braces is the first priority. Okay, always inner braces is the first priority. Understood?
Yes,
So
sir.
means first 1 plus 2 will be calculated, then 1 plus 2 result minus 3 will be calculated. Clear now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so after that I want to calculate into 4. Okay, so if you want to keep that also in braces. Okay, and then that result minus 5 I can do. Anyhow, that is the last one, so no need to keep in the braces. So I'm executing now. See, whatever I expected,
Yes.
and I want to calculate the same way it is calculated now, because I am overriding that priority using parentheses, and now I got the output as minus 5. Is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes.
so there is nothing to learn more about it. Okay, so only one thing you should remember. What is that? Operator priority. Okay, and definitely you will be using these are all operators most of the times in real time. Remember, there will be a priority for your operators. So if you want to override the priority, you should use parentheses. Nothing but you have to keep that in braces. Okay, right. So this is about arithmetic operators. So then next one is comparational operators. Okay, so there are like equal to operator, not equal to operator. Okay, less than operator, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to. So you know very well about all these operators already, right? You might be using all these operators, right? So when we'll be using, for example, I want to see all the people, whoever is earning the salary 3,000. So what I'll write the query then? Select. I want all the people, right? So I'm writing select star from, what is the table I'm using? EMP. So what is the condition? Where salary is equal to 3,000. So means like I want to see the people, whoever is earning the salary 3,000. Okay, let me execute. EMP is not there. Let's do one thing. Okay, I just want to do one thing. Let me open one browser. Okay, I'll tell you what I am doing. Okay, so there is one thing called demo BLD. Okay. I just want to copy and paste to here. Where it is, there it is. Why didn't came? Okay, so nothing but I'm just trying to find a script which is already having like EMP table, which we are using the table and all. Okay, why it is not there? Okay, let me go to other one. Give me a minute. Okay. It is asking all this nonsense. Okay. Here I have. Let me take this. Copy. Let me go to SQL developer. Let me do this here only. Okay, so here you can see there is nothing. Okay, I'm dropping if there is any table already with these names, and then creating a table. Okay, with all those columns and inserting the data into that. Okay, and then creating one more table, DEPT. Okay, inserting some data into that, and creating one more table called bonus, one more table called salary, and inserting the data into that. Also creating a table called dummy, but not required. It is there already, but it's okay. Otherwise we'll drop it. Okay, let it be then. Okay, and that's it. Okay, so nothing but I'm just creating some tables. Okay, with the already written script. That's it. If you want, you can also write it and you can do it, but I just want to copy paste. That's it. I'm executing this as a script. Okay, because I want to execute all the things together, not like one by one. Okay, means it will execute one by one only, but I don't want to execute it every time with control enter. So I'm executing this entire thing by selecting as a script, F5. Okay, it's done, right? Okay, now I'm just checking for EMP table. Okay, select star from EMP. Okay, if you want, you can just check the data. It is coming fine. Now I want to see the people only, whoever is earning the salary. Okay, 3,000. Right? So means what I'm doing here, I'm comparing one value with other value. So what is that one value? So I'm comparing this value 3,000 with all the values of salary column, right? Using this equal to operator. Hope you understand what is the purpose of these operators. You know very well already. Okay. For example, okay, I want to see all the people. Okay, whoever is earning the salary more than or equal to 3,000. Okay, fine. So means I'm comparing one value with other value using these relational operators. Fine. Any confusion here? Nothing, right? Yes or no?
No, sir.
Okay. For example, now I want to compare like this. Means I'm comparing one value with two values now. Correct, na? So I'll pick first record salary. Okay, I'll pick first record salary. For example, let me see what is the first record here. So this is the first record, right? What is the salary of this fellow Smith? 800. So first I'll pick 800 here. 800 is equal to 3,000, 4,000 or not. Okay, so means I'm trying to compare now one value 800 with two values 3,000, 4,000. Okay, which is not possible using relational operators or comparisonal operators. So which means we can compare, okay, we can compare only one value at a time. Understood? Okay, so using these operators, we can compare with only one value at a time. Any operators, I mean, equal to, not equal to, less than, greater than. So using these relational operators, we can compare with only one value at a time. Is clear?
Yes.
Okay. So that's why I'm keeping it in red, means that is wrong. Right. So now the next one is logical operators. Okay, so nothing but there are three things, and, are, and not. Okay, so we'll see now what is the use of these three. Okay, so simple thing, first we'll see one requirement. Okay, so what is the requirement is, I just want to see all the people, okay, whoever is working as a manager. Okay, whoever is working as a manager. So what I can write, I'm going here, you know already till this it is same. I want all the peoples, good, but what is the condition? Whoever is working as a manager means that is a job column. Okay, so I'm writing here manager, done. So I'll get all the people whoever is working as a manager, but also I want to see working as a manager and their salaries should be more than 2500. Okay, their salaries should be more than 2500 or at least 2500. Means what is that? You have to write one more condition definitely. So means salary, okay, more than, okay, at least means you can also write equal to 2500. So very simple now. Okay, but so what I'm trying to do here, I'm trying to write two conditions here, correct now? So one is job is equal to manager and salary also should be more than or equal to 2500. So then this is going to throw error because I'm writing two conditions in the where clause, but where clause will support only one condition at a time. So what I have to do? So then we have logical operators, depends on your things. I mean, depends on your requirement. You can use either one of these, and, else, or. Okay, you can use either one of that, and otherwise or. Okay, and means both the conditions should be satisfied. When you want to fail or when you want to get, when you want to make both the conditions satisfy, then you can go for and. Or if you want to satisfy only either one of the conditions, then you can use or. Means in our case, if job is manager, otherwise the salary is more than 2500, one of the thing is true means then I'm fine, then you can go for or. Otherwise my situation or my requirement is now I want to see the people manager who is earning more than 2500, means job should be manager and also salary more than 2500. Both the conditions should be satisfied with the data. So then I have to go for and. Okay, so means basically, so when you want to write multiple conditions, you can go for this, correct now? So we'll see now which one I have to use based on the requirement. So there are three things, and, are, not. Not we'll discuss later. First we'll see what is and. Okay, so very simple. Already we tried to use that and, right, in our current example. Okay, so let me take, or let me draw a table here. Give me a minute. Yeah, fine. Okay, so we have one first condition, right? In current example, job is equal to manager or not, correct now? So I'm writing here as a first condition. Imagine the first condition is job is equal to manager. Now the second condition is there in the current example, right? Second condition is what? Salary more than or equal to 2500. So then if I use, okay, then if I use and operator in between these two conditions, what will be the result? Okay, so for example, first condition is true, means job is equal to manager, and the second condition, salary is not more than 2500, means condition false. If I use and operator in between the two conditions, what will be the result? Can I get that record or not? So it's first Sridhar Kumar, Kumar, can you understood my question now? You there, Kumar? Himaja? Ramya? I'm repeating question again. So for example, in our current requirement, so this is the right, this is the one. Job is the manager, job is equal to manager is the first condition. Second condition is salary more than 2,500. Okay, imagine there is a first record. Okay, first record, that first record job is manager. Okay, job is manager only. Fine, but salary is not more than 2,500. So second condition failed. Good. So then if I use AND operator, can I get the record or not? Okay. Okay, I am only telling. Okay, so I won't get the record. Okay, because and
Both
means
the
both the conditions should be satisfied. Okay, let me write it here. Both the conditions should be satisfied, then only we will get the result for the record. Okay, now first condition is failed, job is not manager. Okay, second condition, salary is more than 2,500. Okay, so now what will be the result, Suresh? Can I get the record?
No, sir.
Okay, so the result will be false. I won't get the record. For example, first condition is failed, second condition also failed. So then can I get the record?
No.
No. Now, last case, for example, first condition is true, job is manager. Second condition is also true, salary more than 2,500. So can I get the record?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So means whenever both the conditions are getting satisfied, then only you will get that record. Okay. For example, I have 100 records in my table. Okay. So among those 100 records, whatever the record or whatever the employee is matching with these two conditions are satisfying by these two conditions, those records only will come. Is clear about this? And it's a very, very important thing. Mostly you won't get any interview question on this, but we are going to use this daily. Daily we are going to use it. Okay. So means this is very important. Now, understood it? It's clear what is meant by and when we have
Yes.
to use this. Okay.
Yes.
When we have to use this, whenever you want to make both the conditions to be satisfied as per your requirement, then you can use and. Okay. Now, same way we'll try to understand what is meant by R. Okay. Let me draw same way a table here. Okay. Now I'm writing here first condition, same first condition, second condition, and the result. Okay. So R means we know already, right? Either one of the condition need to be satisfied. Need to be satisfied to get the true result. Okay. So now imagine same way job is manager. Okay. Very good. True. But salary is not more than 2,500. Okay. Means condition is false. So then can I get the data?
Yes,
Can I
sir.
get the record? Yes,
Yes.
because one condition satisfied. One condition satisfied. Second case, for example, first condition is failed. Job is not manager, but salary is more than 2,500. So can I get the data?
Yes, sir.
I can get that record because one condition satisfied here also. Now, for example, first condition is failed, not job manager, and salary also not more than 2,500. Second condition also failed. So can I get the record now?
No, sir.
No, because both the conditions failed. Now, last case, first condition satisfied, job is manager. Second condition also satisfied, salary is more than 2,500. Both conditions satisfied. Can I get the data?
No, sir.
I'll get the data.
Yes, yes.
What is meant by R? What is meant by R? R means either one of the condition need to be satisfied. So one condition satisfied here?
Yes, sir.
Fine. So at least one condition need to be satisfied. Both the conditions satisfied here, no problem for me. Okay, either one of the condition means at least one condition need to be satisfied. Okay, you are writing every time two conditions, right? Between two conditions, I'm putting R. So then first condition or second condition, any one of that condition need to be satisfied minimum. Then you will get the data. If both are satisfying, then no problem for me. Is clear? Confusion?
Yes. No, sir.
No confusion, right? Okay, so now what we'll do, we'll discuss about not later. Let's go back. For the same example, I'm removing this R and I'm writing like this. So what is mean by this? What is mean by this, Kumar? You know, are you there, Kumar? Sridhar Kumar.
Yes.
Kumar, yeah. What is mean by this? I mean, which kind of get I'm going to get based on these two conditions, and I'm writing and between that two conditions. Understood, right? Understood, na? Okay. Anyone else? Anyone else? So what I'm going to get means what is the requirement? What I'm going to get by writing these two conditions. Okay. So I'm trying here whoever job okay, whoever job is manager and the salary more than 2,500. That's it now. Why you are thinking so much? So there is nothing. Okay. I'm trying to get all the records whose job is manager and also salary more than 2,500. Means both conditions should be satisfied by those resulted records. That's it. See, I'm executing. Let's see. I got only two records. I think we have 14 records in this table, but we got now only two. If you see these two records, we got these two manager, okay, and also this salary is also more than 2,500. Clear?
Yes, sir.
If you try for only manager, you can see I have three people as a manager, but earlier output was only with two, because here this fellow salary is 2,450, which is less than 2,500. Clear? Okay, so that's why I'm not getting this record, because this record is not satisfying second condition. So it's got failed. So these first two records satisfied with the two conditions. So I'm getting these two only in this output. Is clear? Anyone is having confusion? Very important thing. Definitely we are going to use every time in real time. Any confusion?
No.
Everyone is clear, right? Good. Now, same requirement, same thing. Okay, what I'm trying to do, I'm trying to keep R now. Between the two conditions, I'm using R as an operator. You know already what is meant by R, right? So one of the condition need to be satisfied minimum, right? So the record, what I'm going to get, that records job need to be manager, otherwise at least salary need to be more than 2,500. One of the condition need to be satisfied. That's it. Okay, let me see. executed, and I got 6 records now. If you see this first record, manager, good. Salary also more than 2,500, means both are true. Both conditions are true for first 2 records. Now I got third record also as a manager. First condition is true, but second condition failed. But still I'm getting this record now because I'm using R as a operator. Clear? Now, fourth record. If you see this fourth record, fifth record, and sixth records, last 3 records, fourth, fifth, sixth records, job is not manager. Means first condition is failed with these 3 records. But if you see this salary is more than 2,500, means second condition is satisfied. So I'm getting these 3 records also. Is clear now? Okay. So means R operator, if you use R operator, it will give us the result whenever either one of the condition is true. Yeah, satisfied or true. Is clear?
Yes,
Anyone is having confusion? Most of the times in real time, we will be using AND operator. Mostly we will be using AND operator. Okay, so now, and I just want to give you one simple task for tomorrow. Okay, and I will ask you this question for everyone in tomorrow's class. What is that question? If I use 3 conditions, for example. Okay, 3 conditions means, for example, here only I'm writing salary is more than 2,500, and let me write, okay, department number. Okay, any one condition. Okay, department number is equal to 10. Understood? What I'm trying to write? Understood, right? I written 3 conditions and used 2 operators. Clear na? Clear na?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'm executing this. What happened? Earlier, I got only 2 records, but now I'm getting 5 records. Why like that? Let's see. Let's analyze this output. First 2 records satisfied with the 2 conditions, manager and salary, but not with third condition because I don't want to go to the third condition. Good. Now what about remaining? Third record is satisfied with the first condition, job is manager. Good. But salary failed. But still it is coming. Right? Still it is coming. Why? Because department number is 10.
Okay.
Okay, so there is a third condition with R. Right? So
Yes,
then
sir.
last 2 records, if you see, 4th and 5th, job is not manager. Okay. Salary is satisfied for 4th record, but not for the 5th record. Both failed. But still those 2 are also coming because department number is 10.
10.
Okay, means what is happening here? First it is calculating. First it is processing that first 2 conditions. Understood? First it is processing first 2 conditions, and then it is going for the extra third condition. Okay, so first 2 conditions result are department number is equal to 10. Is clear? Don't get confusion. First it is processing first 2 conditions, whatever the data came. Whatever the data came means in our current example, it is giving this first 2 records. Right? These first 2 records are coming. So then after that result are department number is equal to 10. Is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So like that you can write n number of conditions using AND, R operators, depends on your requirement. Most of the times we will be writing n number of conditions definitely using AND operator. Okay. So now what I'm doing, I'm simply changing this operators. First I'm writing R, next I'm writing and. Okay. Now let's see what will happen. Okay, now first, which one will be going to processed? Let's see, I'm executing. Now I got 4 records, very good. Which 4 records I got? Very good. I got this 2 manager. Very good. You can see this manager. Okay, with the two conditions satisfied. Good. Right? And manager, fourth condition, salary is 2450, but department number is equal to 10. It is coming. President, job is not manager, good, but salary is more than 2500 and the department number is equal to 10. How it is calculating? So if you see this first output, I got one more record here, actually Miller, I think. Yes, Miller clerk, department number is 10. It's not coming now. Miller is not coming. Department number 10, salary is 1300. Okay, that Miller is not coming. Salary is 1300. Department number is 10 only, but not coming. Why? How it is calculating now? I mean, how it is processing? Understood my question? Okay, let's see this way. Let's see this way. First, let's see these two. Job is manager or salary more than 2500. It is satisfied with all. Okay, it is satisfied with job is manager. These first two records satisfied. Okay, third record also satisfied. Okay, fourth record also satisfied with that. Correct, na? And the department number is equal to 10. That is extra. Means that result and the department number is equal to 10. Getting confusion, right? First, which one is getting processing? Okay, let's see this way now. From bottom to top. Means these two conditions will take. Salary is more than or equal to 2500 and department number is equal to 10. Understood? Now, salary more than 2500 for except the third record. For remaining three records, it is salary more than 2500 and the department number is equal to 10. Is it coming? Department number is equal to 10 for remaining except this one, except third record. For remaining three records, please observe salary is more than 2500 or not. Yes, good. And department number also should be 10. Yes, for all three. 1, 2, and 4th record. Department number is 10. Department number is last column.
Yes.
Department number is 10 for all the three records, 1, 2, and 4th record. First record, second record, and fourth record. Department number is 10 or not?
No, sir.
Okay, no. So means this is failing, right? Salary is more than 2500, but department number is equal to 10. So means only this last record is getting satisfied. Department number is 10 and salary is more than 2500. And this remaining three coming. Okay, this remaining three are coming because this result, okay, this result or job is equal to manager. Okay, because job is manager, right? So those three are coming, not comparing with salary now. Okay, so first it is processing this and one and then it is going back. So what you will do, try writing many examples like this and analyze the output. So you will understand how it is processing. Okay, good. So any confusion till now about this?
No.
No, right? Now, the last one is not. Okay, so there is nothing actually to discuss about this not. Very simple. This is just going to give result as a or based on given condition. So what it will do? It will just return the opposite result. Based on given condition. Okay, so for example, let me take here also a table. Enough. Okay, I have a condition. I think I don't want this last thing also. Okay, and result. So first condition is true. For example, job is equal to manager. Okay, okay, job is equal to manager. If I write not operator, not job is equal to manager means it will just going to give other than managers.
False.
Okay, if you ask true, it will give false. If you tell false, it will give true. I'll tell you with example, don't worry. Okay, so the example, for example, let's see this same way. I want to see all the people. Okay, I want to see all the people, whoever is working as a manager. So then good, it will give you this result. Only 3 people are working as a manager. Good. If I use not operator, so then what it will do? It is just going to give opposite result based on that given condition. Okay, but I'll tell you how to use not operator later. Okay, but as of now, I'm not using not operator. So we discussed this in relational operators. It is relational operator like equal to, not equal to kind of. Okay, equal to, not equal to. So this symbol indicates, okay, this symbol indicates not. Okay, not equals to manager. So I'm getting all the result other than managers now. This is what? Not a operator, it's the relational operators. Okay, so not a logical not. Okay, so when we'll use not operator, I'll tell you in the next chapter. Here we will discuss here. Okay, in special operators we'll discuss, because it's difficult to write or it's impossible to write not alone. Okay, so every time we have to use some another thing. We'll see. Can we continue? If you are getting confusion, we'll stop the class here. Otherwise, we'll complete this all 8 operators. What you say? Okay.
Okay.
We'll wind up the session for today then. Okay. So tomorrow we'll complete this SQL special operators. Okay. Which will take another 15 to 20 minutes. Thereafter, we'll start with the functions. Okay. And this week we'll complete the functions completely. Okay. So any questions till now?